of my speech is Defence Day of Pakistan. We proudly celebrate the Defence Day in sweet motherland every year. The entire world knows that how courageous, fearless and daring tigers of Pakistan army crushed the plan, organized and secret organization of enemy. They reduced all strength and boldness of Indian army to ashes. In the words of Iqbal, दस्तो दस्त दरिया बिना छोड़े हमने, दस्तो दस्त दरिया बिना छोड़े हमने, बहरे सुल्मात में दौड़ा दिए घोड़े हमने. Brothers, Pakistan was not given to a satiety. It was not made in a day. Pakistan was made in a result of Islamic ideology. Its foundation lies in two nation theory of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, in the bold step of Maulvi Fazlul Haq, in the efforts of Ali Badrs, in the dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and finally in the undefeatable leadership of Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. टैगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, टैगों के साए में हम पलकर जमा हुए हैं, खंजर हलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा. Mr. President, during the Pakistan movement for liberation of Indian Muslims, Quaid made it clear that we the Muslims are not minority. We are a nation according to all definition of the word nation, our culture, our tradition, our history and our way of thinking. Even Avi is not only a gift, but from those Hindus, but from our heroes and our enemies, also considered the enemies by them, when we can eat even together when not about of our country. So Quaid Azam won't shall wish for the laboratory when we be independent and implement the ideology of Islam. The whole Muslims gathered in one unit and sacrificed their lives, sacrificed their sleeps and spent all weeks, forgot everything. But Pakistan, by the grace of Allah Almighty, came being on 14 August 1947. In the end, I would like to say, मेरी इतनी शुरू शरी से दिलो जान सुलग रहे हैं,